Gonna be nice.
Beautiful.
These are the Dream Jeans flat waist jeggings. Flat waistband jeggings. $37.99. I had to look twice. I was like, wait, what? They're on a clearance price? What is going on? Your 3 easy payments, $12.66. A661543. Your color's in this one. This one is called light navy.
I'm sorry,
right?
to
Is
correct
it? No?
you. I might have messed up the order.
Which one is this one?
This is the dark indigo. So this is your only
That's the one
denim.
I have on.
It's your only denim.
So that's the dark indigo. That's black. And then this one is the light navy. Extra, extra small to 5X. I have these on in a medium, which is my QVC size for bottoms. I'm 5'8", and I have these on in the regular length. They also come in short, and they also come in tall. So the regular length is a 28-inch inseam. Your tall length is a 30.5-inch inseam, and then your short length is a 25.5-inch inseam.
Yes.
Now, I want to say this, and I know we're going to start talking about it, okay? I don't wear shapewear. That's one.
Good for you.
2, I don't wear jeggings. But guess what I wear?
Quacker?
Quacker jeggings.
Yay!
Are the only ones I like.
I love how you have them tucked into the boots,
They're
too.
so comfortable.
Yeah.
The reason I don't like jeggings is because sometimes they feel restrictive.
Yes.
So that's why I've kind of steered away from jeggings. I was like, oh, well, I guess I can't wear jeggings anymore. I don't like, how I feel in them, until I tried Quacker's jeggings. They literally feel like in my head, think a jegging should feel like.
I love it.
They have stretch. I can move in them. I'm comfortable in them. My favorite jeggings we have at the Q. Quacker.
I'm so excited.
Yep, my
That
favorite.
is amazing.
Yeah.
So this flat waistband we launched in
that.
fall of 2023.
My favorite.
You loved it, and so we're continuing to bring it back.
Please
don't fret if this is not the waistband for you, because we are not getting rid of our original waistband.
Well, these
so
are on a
don't
clearance
worry,
too,
but
so.
yes. So there's just a little bit of elastic at the top part of the waistband.
That's it.
And then you have that double layer of fabric. It just lays really nice on the body. Functioning pockets front and back.
Yes.
And then you get our signature heart that lets you know it's that Dream Jean fabric you've come to know and love. Speaking of the fabric, 96% cotton, 4% spandex. It's actually a knit French terry.
I don't own these. I'm ordering these.
And it's designed to look like denim or twill.
Yep.
These are, the colors are twill. Please go continue. You're so passionate about this. I'm just going to zip it.
No, I am. I'm
gonna
ordering
zip
these.
it.
They feel so good on the body. It's the look of denim, at least the ones I have on, right? The indigo, without being denim. So hello, I appreciate that. But they look like denim.
Yes.
And that's what I want. Now, if you want the ones that look a little bit, dressier, definitely go for the black. You can easily, dress those up in a heartbeat. But if you have kind of shied away from jeggings like me because you go, oh, they're a little too restricting. I don't want, they're not comfortable. Oh, you see what Angela's doing?
Yep.
That's why I like them. You literally can move in them.
Yes.
Do you see all of that stretch that you have in a jegging? Yes.
Love it.
Try these, especially now that you can save $20 off. I'm getting 2 pair.
You absolutely, really, really should.
Yep.
And, one of the things I was saying this morning, because we had these on in the 2 a.m. hour, is that if you are not allowed to wear jeans to work, the light navy is your option.
That's
because
right.
it does not look like denim at all. There's no hashing. There's no, highs and lows in the fabric. It is a solid color. Same with the black.
Yep, black too.
If you work in the service industry, if you work behind the makeup counter and you have to wear black pants all the time, this is perfect. One of the things I love about jeggings is that they're year-round.
Yes, year-round.
It's not just for
Oh, absolutely
now.
not. No, wear these in the summer. Literally, I will wear I'm a girl. I break all those fashion rules. You know what I mean? Because listen, it's just fashion. What are the rules for fashion? There should be none. It's fashion.
Be comfortable and feel fabulous.
Right, that's the rule. Just be comfortable and feel amazing. So these, wear them in the summertime. I would, wear them on in the summer with my sandals.
Yep.
And maybe a little t-shirt or a tank top or something there. In the fall, in the winter, just like I have them now. Tucked into a boot. Easy, not going anywhere. They're comfortable.
Yep.
That's what I care about.
punctuation mark,
That's
exclamation
what I
point.
care about.
Yeah,
because other
absolutely.
jeggings, I just feel a little restrictive. I feel like I have to tug and pull on them all day long for them to stay up. No, none of that with these.
And I'm also sometimes afraid to wear them because a lot of people wear sporty leggings and they almost look transparent, like
Yes,
see-through,
yeah.
if around a fuller part
Yeah.
of your body.
Yes.
These do not.
Nope.
And there's still nice stretch at the calf. I have a very full calf.
Yeah.
So if you have a full calf, you can not worry about that too.
3 inseams. Your short is 25.5 inches. Your regular, that's what I have on, I'm 5'8" and a medium, 28 inches. And then that tall, a 30.5 inch inseam. Your 3 colors on this, that is the light navy. The color I'm wearing is the dark indigo. And then you can pick them up in the black. But pick these up, ladies. They're on a clearance. They're not coming back. You are going to love how you feel. If you are like me, you go, oh my gosh, I don't think I could wear jeggings. They're just too restrictive. Wait until you try these. Remember, they're a knit denim. It's A661543.